Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to show you how to set up your Microsoft Word document before you begin your paper. So once you open up Microsoft Word, the first thing you need to do is go up here to where you see the name of the font. You're going to click on the arrow. Then you're going to scroll down until you find Times New Roman. So all academic essays should be written with Times New Roman. Then you're going to come up here to the font size. You're going to click on the arrow, scroll down until you find the size 12. So Times New Roman, size 12. Then you're going to go over here to paragraph and you're going to click this little paragraph button. A box should pop up. It may look a little different on your computer. It kind of depends on what version you're using. But basically you're going to find this line spacing box. Right now it shows multiple, but you don't want it to be multiple. You need it to be double spaced. All academic papers should be Times New Roman, size 12, double space. You also need to go ahead and click here where it has after it has 10 point, and you want to change that to 0. And then you're going to click on this box where it says don't add space between paragraphs of the same style. And then you can click OK. Now your document is set up and ready to go. When you begin writing your essay, the first thing you want to do is put in your heading. Your heading should look like this. You're going to put your first and last name, hit the enter button, then you're going to click and type your instructor's name, hit the enter button, then you are going to type the name of the course. So this is IRW 320. And if you would please put a dash and then put whatever section number your course is. So if it's like 153, you would put 153. If it's section 163, you would put 163. So I'm just going to put 163 to show you. Then you're going to hit the enter button again and you're going to type the date. And you need to type the date out fully. Now you're going to hit the enter button once more. And now you want to center for the title. So you're going to go up here where it has the little paragraph bar and you're going to find this center button. And you're going to click center and you're going to type your title. And your title should always be capitalized. Click the enter button again. It's still centered. So you got to go back up here and put it so that it adjusts to the left. And then you're going to want to hit the tab key on your keyboard so that you can indent, because you always want to always start a new paragraph by by indenting. Okay, now as you type, you'll keep going, and I'm just going to click buttons, blah, 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 keep going, keep going, keep going. I'm still going. Okay, see how it went to, well, it thinks it's a new word, so let me do that. So see how it went to the next line automatically? It does that. You don't have to hit the enter key to go to the next line. It'll automatically go to the next line. When you are ready to start a new paragraph, then you hit the enter key, then you hit the tab key again, and you start your new paragraph. Just like that. Okay, so that's how you set up your Microsoft Word document. Now, when you get ready to save, and you need to save early and save often. So as soon as you type your heading, I would go ahead and save it. You'll want to go up to this big button up here. You're going to click, and then you're going to click Save As. And you're going to have to find where you're going to save it. So you might need to scroll up and down or look into your various document library. But basically, you want to save on your OneDrive. And you want to save on your flash drive. If you're using your personal computer, you also want to save it on your personal computer. If you're using a computer at COM, please don't save it on your computer at COM, because what happens is as soon as you shut down, it completely disappears. You must save it into a cloud and onto your flash drive, and you really should do it on both. Save early, save often, and save in more than one place. Okay, so when you want to find your flash drive, you need to find computer, and then there's going to be, I don't have a flash drive in right now, but there's going to be a little button that says removable disk. It may even have your name on it, depends on the flash drive that you purchase, or it may say jump drive. Usually removable disk, or sometimes with your name and the name, like Lexar will often say Lexar. So look for that. Then you're going to click on it, and then you're going to want to save it. Now I suggest that you create a folder that is for IRW. So you can create a folder by right-clicking in here, new, and then folder, and then IRW. So I have a folder for the class, and then I can click on my folder, and then I can save inside that folder. And I suggest you do that in OneDrive, and you do that on your flash drive, and you do that on your personal computer. So always save in all the different places that you can save it in. You want to have access to your document at all times. The other thing I would suggest is that you name your file by clicking here where it says file name. You name your file whatever the name of the assignment is. So name of assignment. That way you can easily find your work again, and then you're going to click save. Okay? So that's how you set up your Microsoft Word document, and that's how you save. You can get OneDrive and Microsoft Office 365, both PowerPoint and Microsoft Word, for free through your COM email. And there's another segment on how to do that. So this is how you get into your Microsoft Word document. Thank you.